How to put time, date, weather on home screen Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, keep holding the empty space on the home screen. Then simply tap on widgets. Now under clock you can find different widgets. Now you can choose the one widget which have both time, date and weather. Now simply keep holding the widget to drag it into the home screen. Now place the widget. If you want to add weather widget separately, simply keep holding the home screen, then tap on widgets. Now scroll down. Now find weather. Now under weather, simply drag the widget. Now place it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.